guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, thanks for stopping by. I'm Julia Rose, and today I'm going to be showing you my new Chanel bag. I fell in love with this bag at the Zoops event around Christmas time. If you don't know about Zoops, they are a wonderful, pre-loved company selling luxury goods, and they're amazing. Anyways, I went thinking I was going to fall in love with a certain bag that I'd stocked online. And when Reese brought out this bag, honestly, my heart skipped a beat. And that's not normal. I know a lot of people won't understand that. That's fine. But I fell in love. I'm thinking about it ever since. And I hunted one down. And now it's mine. I did get it on eBay. And then I got it authenticated at the handbag clinic in Chelsea. So now I'm super happy with it. I'm confident that it's real, because while I think eBay's amazing and I sell bags on eBay, which is how I afforded the bag, I understand that people will be dubious because it's eBay. You know, you don't know if it's real or not. So always feel free to just go get it authenticated. They're not going to judge you. They don't care. You can just say, hey, I bought this on eBay. I just wanted to make sure that it's legit. Let me show you. So this is my new Chanel Kelly bag. I love it so much. So what I thought I was going to go for was the smooth, but actually the quilted caviar is to die for. I love it so much. It's so much more durable, which is perfect for me because I'm kind of a flinger about her. And I just love it. I love the size. It's called the jumbo, so it fits so much in it. It's the perfect, I love the top handle. What's different is because it's vintage, it doesn't have the crossbody feature, but that's fine. I really like it. I think it looks classier. I can carry it top handle, or it even fits the crook of my arm. I adore it. I cannot get enough. I'm obsessed. And it fits so much. So, just turn and open up. It's got the gorgeous Chanel hardware here. I always go for gold hardware. I just think it's so... Oh, what's in my bag? Here we go. Don't think that you should have these in a Chanel bag. Never mind. Sunglasses, wallet, umbrella, lipstick lip liner, and earrings. It fits so much, and that was with room to spare. Now, I probably shouldn't put so much stuff in a bag like this, but that's like really impractical. What's the point of having a bag if you're not going to use it? It's got so much room. Oh, is there money in here? It's really big inside, and then it's got two pockets. It's got a zip pocket in the back, and then a flat pocket in front. So lots of little nooks and crannies, and then it also has a big pocket in the back, which is perfect if I just want to slip my phone in and out, or my debit card or something. I'm in love with this bag. If you can get your hands on a vintage Kelly, you won't be disappointed. It is gorgeous. Really well made, durable. I'm not going to be nervous about wearing this out and about because the dark color means that it's not going to scuff. The caviar leather means that it's more durable. And I'm just going to use this all the time. I was able to afford this bag because I've spent so much time selling 20 years of stuff that I had, from clothes to bags to shoes that I just didn't wear. And I'm all about clearing out the stuff I don't love and bringing in the stuff that I absolutely adore. Like this. If you need any top tips on selling on eBay, I've got some of those. If you need any top tips for buying on eBay, I've got some of those too. But just make sure you're happy. Make sure you get it authenticated. If you buy on eBay and then it turns out it's not authentic when they said it was, you can get your money back. Bingo. Anyways, I love it. You'll be seeing it in a lot of my styling videos, I'm sure. So I just wanted to introduce you. So that's my new bag. I love it. Let me know if you have any questions about it in the comments section. I'll link some of my favorite pre-loved websites that I am slightly addicted to. It's a problem. And let me know if you have any questions about buying pre-loved. Let me know if you have any questions about the Kelly bag. Please subscribe to my channel because I would love to have you back. And check me out on Instagram because I'm always posting stuff on there. And I'll see you soon.